PSA. Hello, pimps and pimpettes. It's your queen, Pimpsha. Saloon, motherfuckers. I am disabled, disability, different ability, fat as I wanna. I'm here for these fucking mothers who keep exploiting their children, especially these little girls online. Half naked, just like 304s, hair down to the socks, lashes, nails, makeup. Are you fucking crazy? It's pedophiles everywhere, and you're just parading your child around like a fucking sex prop to these demons. These mothers are more pedophiles than the people who are pedophiles because you're presenting your child to them. You bitches need to be stopped. You should have been swallowed. You're a disgrace. You're fucking... You're nothing. You're weird as fuck. I hope these kids grow up to sue you bitches. Remember, they will turn 18 and the internet is forever. Got these babies out here all fucked up because you sick in the head for a chat. Bitch.